Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How you guys are doing? I hope you are fine. Yes, if you are fine there, I am fine here. Welcome once again to my channel. Yes, I am Adorable One. Yes, you can see our topic today. We are going to make eczema leaf powder. Yes, we are going to use eczema leaf to make the powder. Yes, look at the leaf here. How many of you know this leaf? Yes, if you Google it, you will see the leaf or you discover the leaf. Yes, this leaf is very powerful leaf. It can cure eczema, rashes, and even pimples. Yes, this is how powerful this leaf is. So it cure pimples, it cure eczema, it cure rashes. Use it within the week and you will discover how powerful this leaf is. So I'm going to use it and make a powder. Yes, if you can use it without using it as a powder form, but I'm going to make it as powder form. So this is the direction on how to use this leaf. Get the leaf, either you pound it or you ground it. Any which way you can make it, either pound it or ground it. Yes, just make it. After pounding it, use the water that comes out of it. It may come out a little, but I will advise you that you add a little water into it. Okay, pound it and add a little water. Squeeze the water out from the leaf, then use it and apply in that area that you have eczema. Yeah, this is my eczema leaf. I'm going it now to my workplace. This is my workplace. So I will remove the leaf from the stick, wash it, and sun dry it. But you can use your dehydrator to dry it faster for you if you have. But if you don't have, don't worry. Sun will help you to do the drying. So just peel your leaf, wash it, and sun dry it. You know our skin really need to be careful whenever we're using something like this. That is why I always say you should wash it, okay? So wash it, sun dry it, let it dry very well, because if you don't dry, you will not be able to ground it, okay? So wash it and sun dry it. And so please, if you have been watching me and you are not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Like my video, share my video, so YouTube can comment my video, okay? Yes, God bless you as you do it. As finished peeling my leaf, I'm going to wash it now. Then I'm going to sun dry it, okay? If you peel this leaf, if you pluck the leaf from where there is no sun, well, you can use it without washing it. So look at it here. I'm putting it under sun for it to dry so that I can ground it. So after this, I'm going to ground it. Yes, I've finished grounding it. Look at my powder. I ground it off camera, okay? Yes, it came out late in here. So the sun have killed the leaf. So when we get to the bush to pluck the leaf, we discover that it's no longer many as we used to see during the rainy season. So I just get this little one, I dry it and I turn it to powder. Yes, as I said, after turning it into powder like this, you can just turn it whenever I want to use it. Add a little water into it and apply in that area where you see eczema, where you see rashes, when you see pimples, even acne. You can also clear acne. I want to let you know that this leaf, after applying it on your body, you will discover that you will feel that hotness, okay? Yes, you feel that hotness. It's hot. So I believe that it is the hotness that is curing the diseases that is found in our skin, okay? So please do wait to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, okay? Like my video, share my video. All right? So see you on my next video. Bye for now. Thank you.